Some of the smartest tech products this year look simple, but once you see what they do, you may want one immediately. Charging cables often break because wall sockets force them to bend. This flexible charge adapter uses a soft silicone section that moves with the socket instead of fighting it. It reduces cable stress, improves safety, and includes 2 charging ports for charging multiple devices at once. This machine brings industrial technology to a personal scale. The eufyMake E1 is a desktop UV printer that creates full-color 3D textures on many materials. It is designed for creators, designers, and small businesses. Multicolor 3D printing often wastes material. The Snapmaker U1 uses a tool-changing system to reduce filament waste by up to 80%. It also prints at very high speeds, making it suitable for professional use. Many people still store loose batteries in drawers. Linogy is a smart charging station that organizes, tests, and recharges AA and AAA batteries. Its e-ink display clearly shows battery health, helping reduce waste and save money. Carrying heavy bags can be exhausting. MOBI is a compact, self-driving cart that follows you and carries up to 30 kilograms of groceries or tools. It uses smart sensors and special wheels for smooth indoor and outdoor movement. Outdoor lighting does not have to be boring. Fluora is a 3-in-1 light with a 360-degree lantern, a glowing liquid core, and a built-in flashlight. It is weather-resistant and designed for camping and outdoor use. These headphones focus on long-term comfort and sound quality. The Meze Strada is a closed-back headphone with wooden ear cups and 50mm dynamic drivers. It is tuned for a warm, balanced sound and built for daily listening. This is not a regular table fan. Nature Breeze combines gentle airflow with relaxing nature sounds like rain, ocean waves, and birds. At only 30 decibels, it is quiet enough for work, relaxation, or sleep. Reliable power is more important than ever. The EcoFlow Delta Pro is a portable battery with high capacity and strong AC output. It can be used for home backup power, outdoor activities, and emergencies. Which of these products would be most useful for you? Share your thoughts in the comments.